Hello everybody, and welcome to section 3 covering metamorphic rocks. This one is just the one slide here, just one slide for the whole video. A lot of information on this one. I would recommend maybe using something like a cheat sheet for the exam with a quick reference going over this unit. First, what we're looking at, these are the main sort of metamorphic rocks that we're discussing for the section, and we're going to break these into two groups: foliated and non-foliated. So ones which have lines and sort of banding to them, layers to them, and those that do not. No sort of internal structure to keep them. And this series here, from slate through phyllite to schist to knight, these are all in a sort of sequence. So we start with parent rock like the shale, or siltstone, and we apply a little bit of metamorphism and turn it into slate. And then that one is actually the parent rock, which with more metamorphism turns into phyllite, which then turns into schist as we cook it more and more, all the way up to gneiss. And the grain size actually, as we do this, gets larger. Grains get elongated and bigger, starting from very fine for a slate, just add just a little bit of cooking, very fine, just like the stuff in the parent rock, all the way up to coarser for gneiss. Much, much bigger grains on this one. In this section, we're going to talk about the non-foliated ones. First off, limestone. So you take limestone or dolostone, something which is very, very similar to limestone. You cook it, and what you get are these interlocking little calcite grains or dolomite grains. Calcite being the stuff that limestone is made of, and also the stuff that shells of sea creatures are often made of. And this makes marbles whenever we put this through the metamorphic process. Similarly, with this, we take a quartz sandstone with a lot of quartz in it, and we put it through the metamorphic process, and we get quartzite as a result. So rather than having grains with this necessary little cement putting them together, we have something which is closer to interlocking fused quartz grains. And finally, we take something like bituminous coal, which we discussed in the last section, sedimentary rock, organic one, and we put it through this process of metamorphism. What we get is anthracite. This is the nice coal, the good stuff, the really, really best burning coal that we can find. Next section will be on types of metamorphism.